Manipur, the jewel of India, where floating lands and gentle traditions glow with natural beauty. The script is called Matei Mayak, and there is an interesting fact associated with that. Each letter was traditionally named after body part, linking language to life. To introduce myself in Manipuri, I Magiming Shweta Ni. My name is Shweta. To greet in Manipuri, we say Hurum Jari, hello or namaste. To ask how are you, Udom Kumadori, Adam Karam Turibage, means I'm fine. Manipur shines with serene Loktak Lake, floating Fumdis, the graceful Shanghai deer, the spiritual Ras Lila, Shirui Hills Lily, Ema Cathal, the market run entirely by mothers. Their artistry also appears in Akoibi embroidery. Curved and floating pattern reflect the rhythm of everyday life and nature. My Habil style question in Manipuri. Dong na shivu yoga tohine? Did you do yoga today? In reply, hoi means yes, nate means no. I Manipuri khangde. I don't know Manipuri, but with the Habits Unity Month, I'm learning few words which make me feel connected. In Manipuri, it's Thagat Chari means thank you. Haeng Unnarasi. See you tomorrow.